Welcome to my channel. Hi guys, today I have the glow in the dark marble run. Okay, so here is the back. Okay. Now look at what it says. Race glow in the dark marble down a twisting, turning marble run. Includes detailed learning guide which teaches the physics, motion and gravity. Alright guys, I did not read it right. Okay, so we can make the marble glow instantly. This is what it includes. So it includes 41 construction pieces, 8 glow-in-the-dark marbles, 1 UV light keychain, 1 storage bag, and 1 learning guide and instructions. And here are the pieces that they have. So we have 1 twisty pieces, 2 straight pieces, 25 of these pillar things, and 1 of these things, and these. Some we need to put together. We have 8 marbles. We have like ousting. We have something. I don't even know what this is right now. And we have the UV light. Okay, wait. I forgot to show it even has a storage bag. All right, let's open it. Let's start the opening. Ooh. I hope it's like a fun game. I opened it. Let's open it now. Wow. What is that? Okay, marble. Okay, the instruction booklet. Do you have some marbles in it? Okay, I'm sure you're taking some out. Okay. I'm opening the bag. What's these for? Okay. Okay, so let's start building. Okay. These apart. And take these apart. Ooh, in red. Alright, hold on. This is like the booklet. I just read it. Now it's marble. Here it's below the dark marbles that we will be having to run through. Alright. Okay, so first we will need this piece. And then we will need these constructions. Okay. You can build it however you like. You need to put these together. Inside. So, we will build these. You don't have a part to put together, but that's okay. Okay, we will make a triangle. And then now we can start building. So, I'm gonna make my first move. And start constructing the bottom up. So let's add the yellow. More. We need like more. Not more. So we need to add this one too. Okay, marble run. Marble run is getting stable. Ooh. Okay, this is good. Okay. Now let's start. Pin this piece. Oh, I want the top. Oh, I need the top point to be this one. Then I will make the marble so that they go this way. And then I will lead them to a drop. Which they will anyway. Okay, I'm trying to find a stable way to add these. Oh no. Any way for it? Okay, let's try it. So let's add the marbles. Marbles. No, they're getting stuck. Yeah. There we go. Put them down. Put down these. Okay, let's keep playing. I'm kind of interested. I love this toy because it's a very cool building toy. You're running down good. All right, let's make a different one. Let's make a different build. But I'll get one last marble. Wait, did that? No way. That is so cool. Okay, keep building. Binga binga bang. Okay. I'm gonna get all the 8 marbles. Okay. Race down the roller. Race down the roller. There's the. Okay, good. Okay. Marble. 13. That was fun. Oh, dang it. I tried putting it. Ito wala mama. On 12. I tried this in school, but I didn't really get a good look of it. I finally got a good look of it. Why I didn't get a good look? Because all the students kept trying to play this. Yeah. Let's build a different one. Where the marbles go, it stinks. Where the marbles go, it stinks. We're good this time. Marble City. Add the marbles to your collection. Marble City. Marble City save. marble. The marble. Are you flipping? Okay, again. My God. Again. Ah. Warby. Another one. Marble wobbly. Play on. Oh no. Okay. Right here. Oh geez. Okay. Oh. Oh no! What? I know what to do. Yeah. Run. It is glowing in the dark. So pretty, huh? Okay, I'm getting marble, boys. I love this glow in the dark marble. It's the best thing ever. I get these little pebbles. Warbies. Warbies. Why am I calling them Warbies? Okay, let's get them on the playpen. Okay, let's charge them. I'm charging them so they can glow. They will stop glowing in a few minutes and seconds after you start playing with them. So you need to use this light to charge them. In the marble, I roll it. Let's make all of them go at the same. Okay. Going at the marble. Showed up the marble. Oh no. Whoa. Charging. Okay, go. Chocolate can. Oh no, the chocolate can. Oh no, the chocolate can. Oh no. The mysterious light. They're like mini universes. Oh no! They are are not glowing. We need them to glow. Oh God, traffic jam. Alright, so right now these these marbles are very normal. They're not glowing in the dark at all. And we need them to glow in the dark. So let's charge them using the flashlight they gave us. Okay, so these marbles are not that glowing. They're only glowing a little bit. Here's how to charge them. Oh no, you can't. Use your flashlight and then put them at the Orbeez. Why am I keep calling them Orbeez? Tell me why. Pointing. Okay, let's play with them. Oh no, you Orbeez. Oh no, oh no, traffic. Orbeez. The best traffic jam. Auras. Orbeez. All of the Orbeez. Ah! No. Orbeez. That's the Orbeez. The Russian. The boom. Russian. Oh no. Traffic. Start here. Thank you for watching.